What's the meaning of cashmere? Cashmere. Cashmere.
Cashmere. Cashmere. Cashmere is a type of wool that comes from the undercoat of cashmere goats. It is finer, softer, and lighter than traditional sheep's wool, making it highly prized for its luxurious feel and warmth. The fibers are sorted by hand to remove any coarse hairs and then spun into yarn for use in clothing and textiles. Due to the rarity and high demand for cashmere, it is often expensive and considered a luxury item. Its delicate nature also requires special care when cleaning and storing to maintain its softness and quality.